guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Antallan, your franchise consultant. So for this video, I am very excited to share, no? Medyo 1 week delay lang kasi na-busy sa dami ng good news, no? But I am very excited to share about the newest, okay, and biggest and masabi ko better service that Toktok can offer to all of the customers or users out there, which of course, di ba, and only shows that the company or Toktok is improving through time. So, right now, okay, papakita ko po sa inyo paano ba gumagana ang pabili service ng Toktok. Okay? So, just to give you a run through, no, si Toktok po nag-start siya noong December 8, 2020, which is, as of right now, 5 months pa lang si Toktok. Okay? And then nagkaroon tayo ng delivery, okay? Na-open ng franchising, and then nagkaroon ng SM service. And if hindi niyo pa po natatry yung SM Pabili, okay? I have 2 videos right now in my YouTube channel, okay? Para po i-guide kayo. May kita niyo yung unang kong video nung unang nilaunch si SM, and then yung updated SM Pabili feature. Okay? So, right now, papakita ko sa inyo paano ba gumagana yung pabili service. If you don't have the Toktok app yet, just go to your Play Store or App Store and i-download nyo po si Toktok. Okay? It's all for free. Kailangan nyo na mag-register. Now, isingit ko na lang din, kung hindi ka pa franchisee and nakita nyo po yung referral code, this is my referral code para makita mo talagang gumagana. No? Gusto mong i-test, this is my referral code. Okay? Now, once you've made your profile and nag-login ka, no, meron ka po makikita, ito yung homepage. Ayan. So, makikita nyo po yung delivery, pabili, at saka yung profile. Now, once clinic nyo po yan, okay, makikita nyo, pag clinic nyo po yung pabili, may pick-up time dyan, nakalagay ASAP, and then nakalagay yung name mo and yung address. Okay. So, ngayon, once na na-pick up na yun, guys, so makita niyo po dyan yung what's near me. Guys, you need to update the app. Kung hindi niyo po nakikita yung what's near me, you need to update the app and make sure naka-turn on ang location ninyo. Ngayon, ano ba itong pabili service na to? Pabili service allows anyone na may app na pwedeng magpabili sa mga malapit na stores or establishments within 3 to 7 kilometers, no? So, papakita ko lang, kailangan ko ng guidance sa screen, no? So, within 3 to 7 kilometers, yung favorite mo na bakery, cafe, restaurant, di ba, na hindi mabibili sa SM, or sabihin natin, walang SM na malapit sa'yo, madedetect mo at pwede ka magpabili. And here's the other amazing news. This feature is available nationwide. Ulitin ko nationwide. So kung ikaw ay existing operator or nagbabalak maging operator sa probinsya mo, sa lugar mo, wala pang masyadong Toktok or wala pang Toktok, this is the best time para magsimula ka. Isipin mo kung sa area mo wala pang delivery service. Okay, walang Grab, walang Move. 'Di ba may local courier pero wala silang offer ng pabili. This is the best time for you to introduce this business. So, gusto ko lang makita ninyo yung benefit if you are an operator. No, guys, tayong lahat, I'm an operator and maybe you're an operator watching this, sobrang laki ng benefit nito. Isipin mo kung yung kaibigan mo na download yung Toktok app, nilagay yung referral code mo sa kahit anong features, mapa-delivery, pabili, or SM Pabili service, every time o-order sila, meron kang 3%. Okay? One time lang nila ilalagay itong referral code, kagaya nito, no? One time nila ilalagay, and every time nila gagamitin ito, any services, meron kang 3%. So, what if sa area mo, ikaw ang nag-introduce niyan? Tama? Kahit anong probinsya po, guys, Toktok is available nationwide, So anyway, ayan, so sobrang excited ko, nalito na ako, no? Papakita ko sa inyo how it works. When you click what's near me, okay? So ayan, pag-click niyo po, ito po sa screen, papakita ko sa inyo, please watch the screen. Pag-click niyo po yung near me, okay, lalabas po dyan yung iba't ibang category, which is makita niyo po dyan yung bakery, cafe, convenience store, hardware store, pharmacy, restaurant, at supermarket, okay? Anywhere in the Philippines, you can detect kung yung mga nearest stores malapit sa iyo, again, within 7 kilometers. And Mitch, wala pa akong rider. Okay? Wala akong, sabihin natin, kaka-operator ko lang. Gusto ko maging operator, pero okay na ba kahit wala pa akong rider? Kahit na wala ba akong rider, magagamit ng kaibigan ko yung referral code at yung services? Yes. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung ikaw, bago kang operator, okay, or customer ka na or user ka ng app, nag-book ka ng pabili, Okay? Any rider na malapit sa iyo, madedetect po nila sa riders app nila yung booking. Okay? So guys, so hindi nyo kailangan mag-worry na kailangan nyo muna ng rider bago i-share ang inyong 3%. Ngayon, sabihin na lang natin, so okay, i-click natin bawat isa. Ayun po yung sa bakery. Okay, makita nyo po yung mga list sa bakery. So gamit ko yung address. Ayan, si Hi Dayan, nakalagay. And then yung mga addresses, ayan, okay? So makita nyo po yung mga yung mga bakery na lumalabas. Also, pag-click nyo naman po yung next, no? Ayan. So yan mga next na tab. So, i-explore. So, while you're watching the screen, lalabas po dyan yung iba't ibang establishments. Okay? So guys, ganyan lang siya kasimple. Just choose a category you want, anong craving mo ngayon, okay, anong craving mo ngayon, and then, pipili lang po kayo dyan. So guys, isipin mo kahit hindi mo sila kausapin, as long as your friends use the referral code. Okay? As long as your friends use the referral code, meron kang 3%. And, anong advantage ito sa mga operators? Isipin mo, kung ikaw isang operator or nagbabalak ang maging operator, okay? Habang dumadami ang services si Toktok, maliban sa SF, ito ni-launch pa, no? Dumadami ang users ni Toktok. Okay? Kasi nakita na, okay, para rin pala itong Grab. No? Na may kita ko, pwede pala ako magpabili. Diba? Minsan si Grab may price surge. Kapag maulan, kapag holiday, kapag traffic, kapag rush hour, tama, may price surge. Okay, mas mura kay Toktok. So, habang dumadami ang users, dumadami ang bookings na natanggap ni rider. Okay? At dahil maraming bookings na natanggap si rider, sinong masaya? Tayo, operators. So, kita nyo guys, yung tawag dito, yung ripple effect, 'di ba? So guys, sobrang amazing. And also, kung hindi pa po kayo updated, okay, meron po tayong Toktok Mall. Okay? So, meron po akong video na in-upload, okay, ng announcement po ng CEO natin mismo about Toktok. I will put in the description below. Okay? So guys, that's just it. Yun na siya. So, nakita niyo po, ang daming pwedeng offers, ang daming, tawag dito, ang daming pwedeng options, no? Para po magpabili kay Toktok. So guys, if hindi nyo pa po natatry, okay, itry nyo na. Ayan lang, ganyan lang kasimple. Just choose the restaurant, okay? So, mag-sample tayo, yung actual demo, okay? What if nag-crave tayo ng Dunkin'? So, papakita ko sa screen. Okay, yan po yung itsura niyan. Ayan. So, i-click mo lang po yung sa restaurant, no? And then, lalabas po yung sa Dunkin'. So, papakitaan ko kayo ng sample. So, i-click mo lang yung what's near me. I-click mo lang yung bakery, i-click mo lang yung Dunkin', and lalabas po dyan yung mga information na kailangan ninyo. Which is yung item description. Okay? Item description, ano yung items to purchase mo, estimated price of items. Okay? Kung may notes ka kay rider, kung fragile ba yan, kuya, medyo rush, or kuya, nagbamadali ka, no? And also, sa pinakababa, makita nyo po yung express delivery. Anong ibig sabihin ng express delivery? If you click the express delivery, kayo pong priority booking ni rider. Okay? Meron po tayong 3 klase ng delivery. I-explain ko na lang, baka wala ka pa idea. Schedule, ASAP, and Express. Si schedule po, pwede nyo po i-schedule for tomorrow, the next day, until 1 week. Okay? So, mag-set ka ng date kung kailan pipick upin ni rider. Pangalawa naman, yung ASAP, okay, is within the day. Ulitin ko ASAP is within the day. So, okay, kapag gusto mong rush yung delivery, i-click nyo lang po yung express delivery. Okay? I-click nyo na express delivery on the button below, and para po ma-priority ni rider ang inyong pabili na order. Okay? Ngayon, so papakita ko sa inyo yung live demo. Okay? Sorry, ayan. So ngayon, papakita, for example, gusto natin umorder sa Dunkin'. So, ilalagay mo lang dyan 1 dozen. Okay? Tapos kung ilagay yung quantity, no? Tapos ilalagay mo lang yung estimated price ng item, si rider po ang mag-aabono niyan. Okay? Doon kay Dunkin', no? Ngayon, pagka-abono po kay Dunkin', ihatid sa inyo yan ng rider. So that's it. And then i-book mo lang, i-confirm booking mo lang, and that's it. So hintay mo na lang si rider, dumating sa'yo, dala-dala ang inyong donuts. So kung may late kang cravings, kung kung takot ka lumabas sa ECQ or MECQ, or gusto mo nang mag-save ng time, kaysa mamasada ka pa, lumabas ka pa, bumiyahe ka pa, sayang lang yung gas mo mag-drive, magpabili ka na kay Toktok. Alright? So I hope this helps you understand more about the Pabili service. If you have questions, just comment below. And also, if interesado po kayo maging franchisee or operator kagaya ko at gusto magkaroon ng extra business like Toktok, okay? Kontakin niyo po ako. Ito po yung Viber and WhatsApp number ko. Ito po yung Facebook page ko. And you're very welcome to join my team and I'll help you get your business started.